Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change email on Imo. First of all, you can open the Imo application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on it, and here you will find the option settings. Tap on settings. I can tell you the Imo app doesn't provide any feature to delete the email directly, so you can change the email. You will just simply now tap on account and security here, and now you can tap on delete emo account. First of all, you can delete the emo account and you can create the new emo account to a new email, and this is the way you can change email address on emo. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.